Stir-fry beef with scallions, better that takeouts. Slice scallions any way you like. 1 thumb ginger, 5 cloves garlic, thin slice. Today I sliced this beautiful sirloin dot in cubes. Marinate with 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, ground black pepper. Marinate for 30 minutes. Oil in skillet. Sauté garlic then ginger until aroma comes out. Then add scallions. Season with ground black pepper and half teaspoon oyster sauce. Then set aside. Preheat nonstick grill pan. Grill 5 to 8 seconds each side. Add to the scallions, stir fry for a minute, then serve. Enjoy and again, be positive, be happy and spread love.